Hello and welcome. I'm so happy you're here with me. Today, we are going to learn about daily activities.
So what are daily activities? They're just the things we do every day. Simple as that. From when we wake up to when we go to sleep. Let's begin.
First, let's talk about the morning. This is how we start our day. The first thing we do is wake up. I wake up in the morning. Repeat after me. I wake up in the morning.
Next, we need to keep our teeth clean. I brush my teeth. Now you say it. Repeat after me. I brush my teeth.
Then, it is time for our first meal. This gives us lots of energy. I eat breakfast. Let's say it together. I eat breakfast.
You are doing a great job. Now that the morning is done, let's talk about the rest of our busy day.
Many grown-ups go to a job. I go to work. Now you try. Repeat after me. I go to work. And maybe your day has studying. I study English. Hey, you are doing that right now. Repeat after me. I study English.
Excellent work. Now, after a long day, the sun goes down. It's time to talk about ending the night.
Finally, our bodies need to rest for the next day. I go to bed at night. Repeat after me. I go to bed at night.
You have learned so much. Now it's time to practice everything together. Are you ready? I have a question for you. What do you do every day? Think about your morning, your day, and your night. For example, I might say, I wake up in the morning. Then I eat breakfast. And then I study English. See how we put the sentences together? That was fantastic. You are doing so well at talking about your day in English. Very good. Now, it is important to practice. Try to say these sentences every day. The more you practice, the easier it gets. And that is all for today. Thank you for learning with me. Keep practicing. Goodbye.